Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thanks my brother Khudi from Kongo, South Africa. You trust me, you buy with me C4 for Mercedes diagnostic tool. Now inshallah tomorrow I will send you via DHL. Okay, this is for adapter and this is software I install via online. Okay, this is video for especially my customer from Congo country. खुद ही ने इस भाई ने मुझे कांगो से पैसे सेंड किए हैं C4 के लिए और सिस्टम के लिए। अफ्रीका साइड का बंदा है। तो माय ब्रदर थैंक्स यू ट्रस्ट मी आई एम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मुस्लिम आई नॉट वेस्ट यूर $1 ओके यू शेयर माय नंबर with your friend in your country. Anyone need any diagnostic tool for trucks and heavy equipments? We have all diagnostic tools, JAL test, trans data, and second JAL test. Other we have all VCI6. Give me please Volvo diagnostic tool, Asif sab. We have all is one. Every diagnostic tool. This is for Volvo. Okay. Your any friend need any diagnostic tool we have. Okay. You send me payment receipt. I will send you everything is my responsibilities. Okay. Via DHL. Share my number and your all friend. Okay. Anyone need online training? This software, JAL test, Transdata, or Mercedes software, or Volvo original software, I teach you online via remotely. Okay. Thanks, my brother.